What's up, everybody? This is the Nemesis Coop with another video, and today I'm going to be installing this bad boy. Yeah, all those gains right here. I'm going to get a whole, like, 5 horsepower. Honestly, I'm just doing this for the fucking noise. I just want to hear the sound, so yeah, I'm not taking this seriously, but it does look pretty badass, and it's going to look very, very nice with the throttle body spacer that I got and installed not even a couple days ago. So, I'm going to show you how to install it, what you need to take apart, what you're going to be basically getting rid of, and the tools that you need, and blah, 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 blah. So let's get started with this fucking video before all of you lose interest in it and completely go to another video. So here we go. Step 1, locate your airbox. Step 2, locate your tools. Step 3, remove this thing. The 10mm socket and 3/8 drive ratchet.
Fuck it.
Step 4, remove this thing. Step 5, loosen that. With a 10mm socket and 3/8 drive ratchet. So it's nice and loose, like your mom. Step 6, loosen that thing too. Step 7, remove this and that with pliers. Step 8, remove this thing. What the fuck? Why do you need to be difficult? Alright, give me one fucking minute here. Step 9. Remove the bolts that were there and there. They are 10mm bolts that I had to use an extension for my ratchet. Yeah. Now this thing is stuck, and I don't know what the fuck it's stuck on. So I'm gonna have to venture in there and see what's up. Step 10, remove your airbox. That little peg there, that goes into that little gray hole and kind of sits it in there. Step 11, insert this into that. Step 12, remove that from that, and this from this. Step 13, connect this hose to this, and connect this hose to that. Step 14. Tighten those two little guys there and there with a 7mm socket. Step 15. Reinstall this thing. Step 16. Reinstall this thing if you really want to. Step 17. Install sticker. Step 18, admire your work. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, good enough.